context, quite often we talk about science with students as a body of knowledge, right? So they think about it as the class that they're going to at 11 o'clock, right? But I think sometimes students forget that this is actually a process that we are participating in, is a practice that we are doing, and there are methods associated with that practice. And those methods are equally as important to the knowledge that's being developed from those practices. And so the last piece of the nature of science that I want to emphasize here is another misconception, and that's one of the scientific method, right? I think everybody who's ever been into a lab knows that this is not what happens. You don't go in and you ask your one question and you generate your hypothesis and you do your one experiment and you collect all your data and it's perfect and you draw your conclusion, right? The metaphor that we tend to utilize in educational psychology is learning as knowledge construction. And this is the one that I want you to kind of take with you as you think about your own work and communicating your own work. The learner actually needs to do something with that information to really understand it. They need to be actively engaged in thinking about the material and making sense of it and connecting it to what they already know. And so we want to try and maintain that accuracy so that we are telling them the most correct information that they can build on. And then the jargon can come later, right? That the precision can come later as they're engaged in thinking about that material.